WooCommerce to Printful. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about on how you can connect your existing WooCommerce store to your Printful account. Now, this is extremely simple. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. All you have to do is to go ahead and first make sure that you have updated your WooCommerce store. Now, this is because some of the features from the Printful are not going to work with the previous versions or older versions of WooCommerce. Now, to update our store, you simply want to navigate through the plugin button at your dashboard right here. Once inside the plugins, click on Browse Plugins, and we will be taken to the plugin store. From here, you simply want to search for WooCommerce, and once inside, you can then go ahead and click on the official WooCommerce plugin. Click on Download. Now, right after download the zip file, it will then go ahead and look something like this. You simply want to go ahead and click on a button right here that's called Add a Plugin. In my case, I don't have that available because I am on a free trial for my WooCommerce store. So you simply want to add this plugin in order to update your WooCommerce store. And from there, we can now go ahead and navigate through the second step, which is downloading the Printful integration with WooCommerce. Now, you want to head back to the plugin page. And from here, you simply want to search for Printful. You can then go ahead and see this plugin right here that's called Printful Integration for WooCommerce. Just go ahead and click on the Printful plugin. And once again, inside, you simply want to hit on Download. From there, just go ahead and click on Add a Plugin. And you simply want to upload the downloaded file into your WooCommerce store right here. From there, you can then go ahead and see your Printful installed to your WooCommerce dashboard right here. From here, you simply want to navigate through the Printful website and you could just open up your account. Now, to go ahead and add products to our WooCommerce store, you simply want to navigate through the product template at the corner of the Printful website. From here, we can then go ahead and choose a bunch of templates to go ahead and get started with. You simply want to click on Create Product, and once inside, we have templates like men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, and you could just go ahead and open up your own type of product to sell to your WooCommerce store. To make everything easy, I'll just navigate through the men's clothing right here, and I'll just select the t-shirt section. Inside t-shirt, let's just go ahead and say that I specializes on selling some t-shirt to my WooCommerce store. So I'll just click on one of the t-shirts that the template has. From there, it will then prepare the design maker in order for us to customize this the way we want to. Now, you can just go ahead and specifically match this through your brand in order to sell a lot of these products to the WooCommerce store. You can go ahead and customize the front, back, left sleeve, right sleeve, inside label, and outside label. Now, to go ahead and upload your design, you simply want to click on Upload or drop your design right here. From there, it will open up this menu where you can upload or select the files that you already uploaded to your Printful website. Inside, I have two images right here, and to upload your image, you simply want to click on the Upload button. In my case, I'll just go ahead and use this Bitcoin logo right here. From there, it will then go ahead and take us to this page where we can adjust the size of our logo. And right after that, to proceed, you then want to click on Save to Template. But before that, of course, you can go ahead and edit the back, left, right sleeve, inside label, and outside label. You can also transform, position, crop, pattern, or remove the background of this specific logo right here. Now, as you can see with a click of a button, we have managed to remove the background of this specific logo. Click on Save the Template, and now it will take us to the second part of adding our product to our WooCommerce store. From here, you can then go ahead and see all of your templates. This is the one that we have created earlier, so you want to click on Add to Store button. it will then go ahead and show you this menu where you can then go ahead and select colors available for your WooCommerce store. You then have all of the sizes, and if you scroll down, you then have all of the variants right here. Now, you simply want to click on proceed to mockups, and inside we can choose between two mockups in order to sell these products. You have the basic mockups or you have the custom mockups. Now, if you want to build personalized mockups from scratch or use the templates, you can just click on the custom mockups, but to make things easier, I'll just select the basic mockups. From here, we then have a bunch of mockups to use. I'll just use this simple one right here. So once again, you simply want to click on continue. Right after that, we then have the details of our product right here. You have your language, the product title, the standard description, and we have the benefits of on-demand manufacturing. Now, by default, it should already have all of this filled out, but of course you can just edit this the way you want to. Let's just go ahead and say that this t-shirt is the t-shirt Bitcoin. So you want to go ahead and insert your title right here. Now inside, we then have the standard description. So once again, you want to edit this according to your product's description or details. If you're done, you can then go ahead and scroll down, and from here we have the EU GPSR compliance. You can add mandatory information about the product to the product description, and we also have the size guide right here. Now to make this consumer friendly, I suggest checking this box out. From here, click on continue. And for the last part, we then have the pricing of our clothing right here. Now we have all of these sizes from extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and moving forward. Now you can adjust this depending on your price or on your product right here. Now the retail price is going to be this specific amount right here, and the estimate earning is going to be between this money. If you then go ahead and sell your products on a higher retail price, basically it will earn you more money. Now I suggest adjusting this out depending on the size. As you can see, for the smallest one, we have the cheaper price right here, and as moving forward, the price gets bigger and bigger, and so as our estimated earning. Now after adjusting your price, you simply want to click on submit to store. And so if you then navigate through this store section, scroll down, we can then go ahead and see all of the products that we have added to our WooCommerce store right here. Now as you can see, I have the t-shirt Bitcoin available, and so if I click on edit, you will then go ahead and see that we have successfully added this specific product into the WooCommerce store. And so that's how you can go ahead and add or connect your existing WooCommerce store to Printful. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.